So in my last video, I talked about self-awareness and journaling. And this video is somehow connected to the topic of self-awareness because I'm going to be talking about limiting beliefs. And I expect this to be a two-part series. In the first video, which is this one, I'm going to talk about, first of all, what are limiting beliefs, and how you can identify the limiting beliefs that you have through journaling. In the second video, I will talk about how to get rid of or eliminate these limiting beliefs also through journaling. Okay? And this is a type of journaling that you don't need to do every day. It is something that you will do on a need-to basis. So whenever you need to discover a limiting belief and eliminate it, that is when you use this kind of journaling. Okay, so starting from the very beginning, what is a limiting belief? Okay, a limiting belief is basically a thought that you have about yourself or about the world or about people that limits or blocks your advancement in some area of your life. Okay, often you don't know that you have a limiting belief, and sometimes you do know that you have this belief, but you don't think of it as a limiting belief. You think that this is absolute reality, when actually it is not. Okay, the good thing about limiting beliefs is that they can be changed. Okay, they can be changed, they can be eliminated. We're born without any limiting beliefs, and we acquire them in the way that we were raised, or from school, or from TV, or from somehow we pick them up through life. And the same way we pick them up, we can get rid of them. And the thing about limiting beliefs, and any belief that you have, okay, in about life or about yourself, is that when you have it, it feels absolutely true, and you start to see the world through the lens of that belief. And once you eliminate it, your view of the world completely changes without it, and sometimes you don't even understand how you used to have it before. So anyways, let me give you a practical example and explain it in a more practical way. Okay, let's suppose that this is you. Okay, sorry for the terrible drawing. And you are in some area of your life. Let's say this is your current, let's say this is your career, and this is the professional area of your life. This is where you are today, and this is the next level. Sorry, I'm being blocked by something down here. This is the next level of your career that you're trying to reach, but you are stuck here you're stuck here in the smaller circle, and you're unable to advance to the level above it. Now the level above it, this depends on whatever your definition is of the level above it. If we're talking about careers, it's up to you to define what it means. Okay, when you feel stuck in the inner level, usually there are beliefs that you have that are obstructing you from growing into this level. Let's say that these are the beliefs. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is identify what they are. Okay, and after you identify them, you're gonna want to start to eliminate them one at a time. And once you do that, even this small circle disappears, and you can grow into the bigger circle because you don't have any beliefs that block your advancement there, because this outer circle now to you seems very reachable. I hope this makes sense. Now, there's even another level there. Imagine, okay, let's go back to how it was before. And there's also another level that is beyond the next level, okay? And sometimes it is the same belief that blocks you from getting here is the same one that blocks you from getting here. So once you've eliminated it once, you've eliminated the whole thing. So you can actually grow faster than you thought when you've taken out a few of these beliefs. Or you will get, when you get here, you'll discover new ones that only appear when you're at that outer level. Okay? Now I know that this is very abstract, but I hope it gives you an idea. And now I'm gonna give you an example. So let's say I am in the middle in my career, and I have a belief that says I can't get to this level because I don't have enough confidence to get there, or I can't get to that level because if I reach that level, I'm gonna have to work so hard that it'll impact my work-life balance and I'm not gonna be able to spend time with my friends. So therefore, when you have that belief in the back of your mind, it's gonna block you from advancing to that level. Now, is this belief absolutely true? It's not, because there is a way to advance to the next level and maintain your work-life balance. If you want that to be your target, you will find a way. So this is a belief that you will have to get rid of eventually. Okay, so let's say this is the belief, you get rid of it, now you're closer to getting there. So I was saying before that limiting beliefs are beliefs that you have about yourself or about other people or about the world in general. Okay, let me fix my microphone. So basically, every time you say, I can't do this because ... that is a limiting belief. Every time you generalize and you say, you know, all people that live here are ... everybody I work with is never gonna help me. All men these days are, all women these days are ... I can never ... These are all limiting beliefs. I can never have enough time to ... That's a limiting belief. Okay, so now using journaling, how do you discover what limiting beliefs you have? Okay, the steps are the follows. First of all, take an area of your life where you're trying to advance and you feel stuck. If you don't find one, great. Then this is, you know, you're doing great. Either you're not trying to get, or you're not trying to advance, or you're advancing fine and you don't need this exercise. But let's say you do have an area, identify that area. This is the first step. And then you write that down in your journal. And you know, in a quiet place, you have your journal, you have your pen, and you write, I cannot do this because ... And by this I mean getting to the next level. So you've identified the area you're stuck. You have to identify what the next level for you looks like, and then I cannot get there because ... And you write that down. and you keep writing down every idea or belief that comes up. So it could be, I cannot go to the gym because I don't have enough time. I cannot go to the gym because it's too crowded. I cannot go to the gym because I have to wake up early, and if I wake up early, I'm gonna be too sleepy. I cannot go to the gym because whatever. I'm just saying the gym as an example. These are all limiting beliefs and they're not true. After you've listed them down, you're gonna need to eliminate them. Once you've eliminated them, it's like you've cleared your mind, you've cleared your subconscious mind from these beliefs, you've let them go, and then when you think about the next level, which in this example was going to the gym, or in the drawing example was career, you can choose whatever. When you think about it, it's gonna feel a lot more attainable. So in this video, as I said, I just explained to you how to identify your beliefs. You need to write them all down. And in the next video, we'll get into how to eliminate them completely. Okay? Hope this was a useful video for you. If it was, like and subscribe, share the video with your friends. And by the way, next to the subscribe button, in case you didn't know, there is a bell. You hit that bell, and then every time I release a new video, you get a notification to your phone letting you know that there's a new video released by this channel. All right, thank you very much for watching.